Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to watch YouTube videos in background on iPhone. To watch YouTube videos in background on an iPhone, the first thing that you need to do is enable picture-in-picture. For that, we're going to be heading over to Settings, scroll down to find General, scroll down to find Picture-in-Picture, and make sure that Start PIP automatically is turned on. After that, you can head over to the YouTube app on your iPhone. Tap on your profile, tap on Settings, tap on General, and make sure that Picture-in-Picture is turned on over here. But do remember that to play YouTube videos directly from the app, you must have YouTube Premium. You must have purchased YouTube Premium. There is a workaround to this that you can use. You can open Safari on your phone and then head over to youtube.com put the video on full screen and then exit the app, which will enable picture-in-picture on your iPhone. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.